In today's digital workplace, understanding the different types of applications is essential for effective management and deployment. Let's start with Win32 apps. These are the traditional Windows desktop applications, designed to run on the standard Windows API. Think of productivity tools, legacy business software, or specialized utilities that form the backbone of countless corporate environments. Win32 apps are highly flexible, but may require careful management for updates and compatibility. Next, Microsoft Store apps, sometimes known as Universal Windows Platform apps, are distributed directly through the Microsoft Store. They offer a modern, secure, and standardized way to install and update applications. With built-in sandboxing and streamlined deployment, these apps are ideal for ensuring consistency and safety across devices. Moving to Microsoft 365 apps, these include familiar cloud-connected services like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. Designed for collaboration and continuous improvement, these apps are a cornerstone of the modern, connected workplace. Offering seamless updates and access for multiple devices, whether on-premises or in the cloud. Line of Business apps, or LOB apps, are custom-built solutions tailored to the unique processes within an organization. These can range from inventory systems to employee portals. Highly specialized, sometimes developed in-house, and vital for daily operations. Finally, consider web apps. Delivered through your browser, these applications don't require installation. They're accessible from anywhere, easily updated, and scale across diverse devices. Web apps are the foundation of many modern business processes, supporting flexibility and mobility for the workforce. Each app type serves a specific role in the IT ecosystem. By understanding their distinctions, you empower smarter decisions for deployment, support, and user experience. With clarity, you strengthen your organization's technology strategy and build the foundation for future growth.